Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do this really simple thing that took me about 15 minutes to do. If you don't have much time in the morning and your hair is just naturally wavy because you didn't feel like blowing it out, this is a really fun little look to do. It's simple and quick and easy, and here we go. So I'm just going with my natural curl texture. I took a shower last night and washed my hair. I shampoo my hair probably once every, I don't know, 2 times or 3 times that I actually shower. And so it was definitely a I need clean hair moment, and I was also tired and I was feeling a little bit just, I don't know, little wasted of energy, and so I really didn't want to put time into a blowout to get my hair all smooth and blown out looking. So I ended up just letting it go naturally curly, and I used the Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. And then I just kind of slept with my hair this way. And so what I'm going to teach you how to do is use a wand just to kind of add curl here and there where it seems appropriate, and then I'm going to teach you how to put your hair up in like a cute, messy way that looks like you spent more time than you did. I'm just going to use a little bit of this Flex hairspray for a heat protection. I'm just going to lightly mist everywhere. And I'm not going to curl all of my hair because I don't want to spend the time to really do that, but I am going to curl in sections where I feel like it matters, especially around my face and throughout the top of my hair. It's kind of perfect that I have a white background behind me so that you can see where there's volume and where there's not. Clearly you see my hair does this natural, more smooth thing in this section, but it's curlier down here. So I'm going to add volume where it more matters, where I want to see more volume, and I'm just going to pick up smaller sections like this. And to kind of match my natural curl, I'm not going to be too neat about where I'm picking the sections up from. So because I want the volume in this area, I'm going to use my wand and really just do kind of a tight curl that is uneven. So I'm curling the center of my hair here. Let it down. Let the end kind of be loose. If I want the ends to be a little bit curled, I'll take a separate section like so. Kind of do that throughout. So as you can see, I did this side alone just so you can kind of see the difference in volume. There's a lot more uniform volume between here and the bottom of my hair. I also took sections. I probably took 15 sections total throughout this whole thing. I just picked up what looked like it needed to be curled. I picked up tiny little sections just to kind of match my natural curl pattern, which is more evident down here. And so you also don't want to make it a flat curl. You want to allow your hair to twist around. So I'm allowing my hair to actually twist when it goes around the wand, and I'm not being specific about direction either. I'm just picking it up and kind of going what feels natural. If my hair feels like it's going down. So that seemed to work really well, and I'm just going to finish it off with this bodybuilder spray. It's a texturizing spray from Living Proof. Then I'll just show you a way to kind of put your hair up. I like to kind of let some frizz happen. This is kind of a natural look. Doesn't need to be too neat, and I don't know, it's fun, especially for summer and spring, so yeah. One thing that I love about naturally curly hair is that you can just pick it up in sections. You can let some pieces fall out, and I'm just gonna do, for the sake of simplicity and quickness of this style, you're just throwing yourself together to go do nothing because you're quarantined. You're just gonna split your hair in half, do one loose braid on this side, and I mean really loose, like let it start low and down farther than you normally would for braids, like so. Add a bobby pin at the end, same thing on this side, whatever naturally wants to fall out, just let it fall. Because you're gonna end up wanting this to be really loose looking anyway. 2 braids. This could be cute enough if you're just out at the lake, but I'm gonna actually twist mine up into an updo. Take both sides, twist them around like so. Looks kind of funny, like that. And then just fold them into each other in the back. I hope everyone's having a good week. I had some ups and downs this week. I don't know, it's just hard being all cooped up and not able to see your people all the time like you normally are, but just get in there, do those hobbies, and try to stay busy and journal or meditate and have patience with yourself because everyone's going through the same thing. So, all right, have a good day.